Good morning, everybody, and welcome to week 6. This is our last week of the class of Principles of Microeconomics. This week, we're going to be looking at organizations of industry, monopoly, and competitive market. I am the professor, Dr. Neil Armstrong. And this week, we're going to look at chapters 13 and 14 of the textbook. We have some great power plugs for you guys, so you guys can definitely see the main points of this. We have a couple videos where you can look at perfect competition in the short run and inelastic demand. We also can see that there's terms of monopoly and oligopoly. And the great work we have to do this week is we have case study due on Sunday by midnight. We also have a short answer due on Sunday by midnight as well, and a research paper due by Sunday at midnight. So it looks like we have the case study here that kind of gets you to run through the scenario, kind of tell us what you'd want to do in the situation. We also have the short answer, which is right here. So this is complete short answer about XX. Is what it says. So you click on the assignment, make sure there's an assignment here. That's definitely differently worded than normal. So let's see. It's having us to click on things. This is kind of strange. Okay, so we actually have the assignment. Let's double check it real quick. I know I looked at this right before we started class, but it's been a little bit, about 6 weeks actually. So okay, yes. So we actually have this short answer to questions here, which will have you have to figure that out, fill that out for us, and everything there. So it actually is there. I was worried for a second that it wasn't there. So we'll go back and look at, there's a short answer questions for you guys to do. Week 6. So we have the case study, the short answers we have, and then the research paper on this. Definitely look forward to seeing you guys' response on things. We don't have a discussion board post this week, so it's one of those things where definitely spend your time throughout the week doing each of these assignments. Hopefully you can get those done a little early. For you guys' sake, I know that it's 3 different writing tasks, so definitely get through that as much as you possibly can. But I look forward to seeing what you guys have. I appreciate all the discussion in the class and kind of the relationships that have been built. Definitely, thanks for being in this class. And if you have any questions, need anything from me, feel free to let me know. Thanks.